Here are the tools you'll need for repairing the door handle. This is a plastic body panel rivet for Ford cars. First off, you take these panels off using a Phillips screwdriver. The door looked like this. These are the connectors disconnected from the electrical window. Okay, there'll be a cover here that you pull away. To take off the door handle, you need to take out a screw here and also there, but you can't get to it because this component's in the way, so we need to take that away. First thing we need to do is cut away the rubber sealant with a good sharp knife. Also, we need to take this rivet out and that rivet there. We drill them out using a 4mm drill bit and a drill. Here you can see I've drilled them out. That one there and that one there. We need to move this component out of the way so we can get to that screw. I'm going to zoom in and show you where that screw is. There it is there. You also need to get that hook out of that piece of black plastic. That hook is a metal rod that opens the door. There, I've removed it and the metal hook is free. It did fit into a piece there that snapped off the old handle. There's a new handle with that piece that should go through that hook. Here's a new door handle. There's the hole that looks a bit narrow. So I'm going to use a 4mm drill bit again to drill it and make it a bit bigger. Okay, we put on the new door handle. That's where the screws need to go. One there and one there. And you can see I put the hook through the black plastic handle. So we need to put the rivets back in. I'm going to use a rivet gun. Put a rivet into the rivet gun, like so. It's a 4mm rivet. Goes into the hole. This is the second one I'm doing. I've already done the one at the top. And when it's finished, the end will snap off. There you go, the rivet's in. Just pick up the waste bits of rivet to put in the bin. Now that component's back in place. I don't have any rubber sealant, so I'm going to use strong adhesive to seal it back up again. This rubber wedge needs to go back in again as well. And I'll show you with the torch how it should go back in there. Then we can glue all this back up again. And tape it with electrical tape. This is where the plastic rivets come in handy. They slot into the interior panel. You need 9 of them. And they click into place into those holes. And now our dial works again.